Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to run HTML codes on Visual Studio Code. So very quickly, what we want to do is we want to go to extensions right here. And then from there, what we want to do is we want to search for open in browser. And then you want to install this right here. So click on it, trust publisher and install. Once that is installed, we want to go back to our main to the main we want to just go back to the main thing right here and then click on file. Now what we want to do here is we want to open folder, but here we just want to create a new folder first, or we'll put the file, let's say my website, then select this folder. Just state trust the authors. Thank you. Then from there, so upon creating a website, what you want to do here now is you want to just click on new file right here. Then name it however you want it. Let's say test right there. Then from here, you can go to a third-party website and copy some HTML scripts if you'd like. Like here, for example, we have here this one for let's say we want to use this basic format right here. Just copy this, paste it there, and then to check, we didn't put anything yet. So just to check, you can either open in default browser or open in other browsers. So if we want to check it right here, open in other browsers, let's say Google Chrome, then definitely it's there. Test. You just need to put in a body for it, for something to appear here, and you're good to go. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.